going on, everybody? This is MrSettin007, just working on one of my customers' cars, a Nissan Altima. Just trying to show everyone how to do the remote start on this model and similar models. What you're going to do is you have to make sure that the vehicle is locked. All doors have to be locked. So press it, make sure it's locked. And then, if, let's say you want to start it off in the morning before you get out and it's cold. As you can see, we have snow on the ground here in New York. What you're going to do is you're going to, from inside your home, I think you need about 200 feet from the vehicle. You're going to press it, make sure it's locked, and then you're going to hold the start button at the top within 5 seconds. Hold it for about 2 seconds, and it should be able to start the vehicle. So you have to make sure you do it within that time frame. So press and then hold about 2 seconds. And there you go. See, the light is on. Lets you know that the vehicle has started and you can hear it start. So make sure you like and subscribe. And so in continuation with using the remote start to start your vehicle, this is a 2019 actually, Nissan Altima. What you're going to do is you're going to press the start button again if you want to turn it off. Let's say that you are not leaving anymore, you just wanted to warm it up, and usually it lasts about 10 minutes warm up. You can press the start button again and just hold it and it'll cut it off. Alright, so I've cut off the vehicle now. Let's say I just wanted to warm it up. I'm not taking it out today. It's a cold day. You just wanted to keep it warm, keep the battery charged. You can let it start for about 5 minutes, and then you just press the start button at the top and hold it and it'll turn it off. Have a great day.